This is part 2 of my top pickups for the year, and today we're doing Bronze Age. And also, if you stay to the end of the video, I'll show you the rules to be able to enter the contest to win these awesome X-Men comic books. So stay tuned. Before we get into the video, I'm going to be going over the books that you can win just by following a couple rules. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what you need to do to win these awesome books. I'm going to be giving out an X-Men lot, which will include Uncanny X-Men 283, Uncanny X-Men 281, X-Men 260, awesome Jim Lee cover, Uncanny X-Men 159. Next one is X-Men 148, which is the first appearance of Caliban. And last one for this lot is a beautiful Uncanny X-Men 126. This is a Chris Claremont and John Byrne collaboration, and just a beautiful cover with all the X-Men on there. Just love this one. Those are the books I'm going to be giving out during this contest, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win. Welcome everybody to another episode of Comics with Bonix. Today we're going to be showing the top 5 books of the Bronze Age that I picked up for the year 2020. So let's get started. The first book that I was able to pick up this year is Conan the Barbarian #1, an awesome looking key by Barry Windsor Smith, first appearance of Conan the Barbarian, and also the first cameo of Cole. Just an iconic cover, significant book of the Bronze Age. Just love this book. I was hoping to get this year, and I was happy I was able to get one. Next up, number 4 on the list is, had to give some DC love this year with some Neal Adams Batman. Was able to pick up Batman 227, which is a classic Neal Adams cover. This is an homage cover to Detective Comics 31. I've been after some of these Neal Adams keys, and this was a great pickup for 2020. Next on the list at number 3 is Iron Fist 14, first appearance of Sabretooth. Just love this book. I've been after this book for about a year or so, and I've finally found a copy that I'm happy with. I would say this book is graded roughly about a 9.0. There's some issues on the corners, a couple of spine ticks, but overall this is a great looking key, high grade copy. I'm super happy to have gotten this year. Next up on the list at number 2 is Ghost Rider #1. This is an awesome cover by Gil Kane. This is graded CGC 6.5 with white pages. Just really bright colors. Overall, just a stunning book, and I'm super grateful to have it. And last up at number 1 on my list for Bronze Age keys I picked up for 2020 is Green Lantern Green Arrow #76. This is a Neal Adams cover. Some say this is the start of the Bronze Age, so I felt it was fitting for it to be at number 1. Awesome cover. Love the green colors on this. It is at a respectable 5.5 CGC. You guys might be surprised I have 2 DC books on my top 5 this year. Kind of shows what my focus was this year on Bronze Age books, and I'm super happy to have picked this up. So hope you guys enjoyed those top 5 pickups for the Bronze Age books for 2020. And I also said that I was going to share with you guys the giveaway details again. So if you guys want a shot at winning this X-Men lot here, all you got to do is be a subscriber of my channel, hit the like button, and comment down below what was your top pickup for a Bronze Age book for 2020. I'm going to be picking one person at random to be able to win that lot. So you get 3 entries if you comment once per video. So again, I want to thank you guys for joining me here. I want to thank you for joining me here at Comics with Bonix. And remember, collect your passion. We'll see you in the next video.